Let me take you to another country. Hi guys, welcome back to Gastronomical Adventures, where I give you honest reviews about the place and the food. And let's visit Little Bean Cafe. Isa siyang newly open cafe dito sa San Jacinto, Pangasinan. Hindi naman siya gano'n kabago. Nadaanan ko lang siya minsan nung dumaan ako papuntang Manawag at ito ang kanyang interior. So it's very nice, very aesthetic, very modern, and they also sell baked goods such as cookies, muffins, and the like. And ito naman ang kanilang menu for their drinks. So there were four of us and hindi naman yung dalawang kasama ko, hindi naman nila gustong uminom. So, kanilang dalawa the girls ang nag-order. In-order namin ang kanilang matcha, espresso, and ang kanilang strawberry matcha or dirty matcha as they call it with what? The espresso and strawberry matcha. And for the food, we ordered their rice meals, yung chicken fingers, a pasta, the creamy pasta. It has spam on top and parmesan cheese. Their Salisbury steak and their beef tapa. So, honest review, napakasarap ng kanilang beef tapa. Very soft, manamis-namis ng konti, napakasarap. Their creamy pasta is also good. As for the drinks, so, hindi naman ganun impacting. Meron din pa silang outdoor area. So, till then, bye!